What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we have another pump from Spark, which has gained about 32% in the last 24 hours, currently trading at 12 cents. So I've covered a few videos on Spark. However, this is not a project I'm predicting to explode anytime soon or even in the long run. Yes, it did hit around, let's have a look, 18 cents earlier this month, or last month should I say, about 2 weeks ago, before it dropped back down, and right now it's pumping again. So what is next for Spark for the rest of August and essentially for the rest of the year? Is it a buy, is it a sell, or is it simply a hold? That's what we'll be going through in today's video, and essentially looking at both short-term and long-term investors' point of view. Before I do that, make sure you subscribe to the channel and like the video. And also, this is no financial advice. Any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So at the bottom we have the RSI, which is around that 62.48, which again does not mean the crypto is overvalued. It's still got a long way to go for it to increase in value. It should essentially, if we zoom out to the hourly chart, it has already started to dip down in value. Again, it's not going to start crashing right now. It is likely to head up to about 13-14 cents over the next couple of hours before it slowly starts to drop back down to around 11 to 12 cents towards the end of the day today, and potentially lower than that, hitting below 10 cents over the next few days is what my predictions are at the moment. Reason being is it's done a huge increase in value in a short amount of time, and it is very likely to go through a price correction. So if we zoom in into, well, we are looking at the hourly chart with the MACD indicator here. We can see the MACD line was looking bullish, however it has slowly started to drop down right now, and it is looking quite bearish. And over the next 12 to 14 hours going into tomorrow, which is Tuesday, it is predicted to be trading at a lower value than where it is at the moment, potentially around 9 cents in value is where I'm predicting it to drop down to. And if we zoom out to the 4-hour chart, over the next few days, for the rest of this week going into next week, it is looking quite bullish, heading towards a positive direction. However, that is due to the pump that's taken place earlier today. Over the next week and a half, I am not predicting Spark to head over 15 cents. It is indeed likely to trade around 10 to 11 cents guys, so at a slightly lower value than where it is at the moment. In between that time, it is likely to be quite volatile, up and down, both green and red candles, but the overall outcome does seem to be more on the negative side. Finally, zooming out to the daily chart, again, do bear in mind this crypto went live on the 17th of June, just about 6 weeks ago, meaning there is no huge data on the crypto, meaning the long-term prediction is not really possible, and I don't want to give you guys false or inaccurate information. Therefore, we are going to stick to the next few days and weeks as well. And as mentioned, going into late August, early September, I am not predicting Spark to go for a major increase. Even if Bitcoin does manage to hit $140,000, I'm not predicting Spark to follow a similar pattern. Reason being is it is a new project and it is unlikely to follow the similar trend to the crypto market. And again, heading into the CoinMarketCap website, we can see there's a lot of people investing or trading this crypto. In the last 24 hours itself, the trading volume has gone up over 330%, currently at $500 million guys. However, when it initially got launched, the trading volume was around $3 billion, which was absolutely insane, especially during the major pump here. But in that update, I did warn you guys, do expect it to go for a major price correction, which it essentially did. So heading back into this and bringing on the Bollinger Band here, we can see the crypto is trading in the upper half of the Bollinger Band, which is good to see, meaning again it is not overvalued, and that is what the first indicator told us as well. So it's still within its range. However, as soon as it starts hitting 13-14 cents, it will start to drop back down. But yeah, that is my take on Spark. A lot of people have been commenting that, you know, my predictions have been wrong and this crypto has a huge future, so on and so on. But if you look at my previous updates, my predictions so far have been correct, and in the long term, as mentioned, I'm not predicting any major movements from Spark. But if you guys are interested in this crypto, let me know in the comment section down below, and I'll be doing regular updates on this crypto. But at the moment, again, no major movements are predicted from Spark. It is likely to hover around the price range that it has been hovering around the last week and a half, around the 8 to 10 cents value. But yeah, that is my take on Spark. Let me know in the comment section down below how high or how low are you guys predicting this crypto to go by the end of 2025. I've seen a lot of people saying 10 cents, 20 cents, even the dollar mark, which is again out of the question. That will require a huge huge increase in value, which I'm not predicting from Spark at the moment. But let me know your realistic price predictions. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. Before you click off, make sure to hit that subscribe button and like the video to enter the cryptocurrency giveaway. And I'll catch you guys all in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.